Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a rainbow haul and then of course Burlington Coat Factory. So let's get started with rainbow first because I only picked up 3 items. The last time I did a haul, I bought a whole bunch of metallic cute blouses and all kinds of stuff like that. So this time I picked up this cute red. It cuffs right here at the bottom, like it goes to your halfway to your stomach. Super cute. It has this little cinch and the little string you could tie, and it looks like a red baseball. Cute shirt, and it says Savage Squad. So if you see it, it says Savage and then Squad. I thought that was super cute, so that'll be nice for the summer or spring, whatever. And then I picked up this one. This was very, very long. They also have a dark red one. It says Hustle, but I like the blue. And it just reminds me of the New York Yankees. I don't know. And this is for a woman. It's red. I'm sorry, dark blue with the red logo. And it says Savage. See, it looks like that, like a baseball jersey, and it has the 2 zeros. And it's kind of long, so it goes past your, your waist. So these are super cute to put with leggings. You can put them with shorts. You can put them with jeans, whatever you want to do. Basically, let's go with everything. So I like that. And it says Savage. And then the last thing I picked up at Rainbow was just some simple, cute little shorts. It has like the stretchy waistband. Just some basic little shorts with the pockets. So I picked up that. And that's basically it. So that's what I That's what I picked up at the Rainbow. Now Burlington Coat Factory. At Burlington Coat Factory, I picked up this. This was a Colgate Mouthwash. It says Plaques. I believe it has tea tree in there. It says tea fresh. Yeah, so it has, it has natural tea extracts. All right, so that's pretty cool. So I picked up this one Colgate Plaque mouthwash. And then also at Burlington Coat Factory, I picked up 2 of these. They finally had them back. The Island brand, I love this brand. The Gummy Bears. Oh my God, I was so happy to find them again. So these were in the front of the store. So I picked up 2 bags of the Gummy Bears Island, like I said, the brand. And I picked up a whole bunch of pajama sets. This one's a pretty one. It's a shorts, and it has like these beautiful different colored butterflies, and then it has like the blue lace on them. These are like the little shorts, and then it comes with the little tank top with the little straps, and it matches. It has like the blue lace on the top, blue lace on the bottom. Beautiful butterfly print. Really like that. Stretchy and comfortable to go to sleep. Then I picked up this pretty cute one. This one is the shirt. And this one's blinged out. And then it says, I'm Latina, we don't keep calm. So it says it like that. It says, I'm Latina, we don't keep calm. With a gold crown. I thought it was cute. And I am Latina, so it says Latina, we don't keep calm. And then it comes with the shorts, little black shorts with a little ribbon. Super, super cute. And then I picked up a 2-piece set here. And you get pink shorts with the lace at the bottom. And then these black shorts with butterflies with pink lace at the bottom. So these are like cute shorts to sleep in. And then I picked up this shirt. This was more money. This was $12.99, but it's stretchy, silky, and this is not like a weird sequin or anything. It's just a really thick, good quality, gold, beautiful stars pattern. So you get this pretty star, like gold stars all over it. So it looks like that. And that one was a really nice shirt. And then I picked up some cheap little, really thick, like sweatpant type of material, pastel tie-dye. Just basic little shorts. And then it has like little sunflowers at the bottom. Or daisies, I'm sorry. Daisies. Just some simple little shorts to bum around the house or sleep in, whatever. Then I picked up my grandson a whole pack of socks because he needed more socks. I just grabbed him a whole bunch of little socks. Just plain gray, white, and black. Then I picked up us Zoo York white and gray thick socks. I got a whole pack of those. Then I picked up another pajama set. It's baby blue. And it says Kiss Me with the heart. It's just plain, very silky. It says "Kiss Me," and then it comes with the cute little blue shorts. Stretchy material, you know, the kind you sleep in. And then the very last thing I picked up at Burlington Coat Factory was this rainbow striped, like holographic plastic, beautiful makeup bag. And it looks like that, really nice rainbow. This is a nice big plastic makeup bag pouch. And this was $7, $6.99. So I thought that was pretty cool. And that's basically it, guys. So that's all I picked up at Burlington and Rainbow. Thanks for watching this quick haul. I will talk to you guys later on again. Be safe out there, and I will talk to y'all later. Have a good day, guys. Bye.